The first question, see the following diagrammatic view of human respiratory system. Identify A to D. Now this A is epiglottis. It is a leaf-shaped flap of cartilage located behind the tongue at the top of larynx or voice box. The main function of epiglottis is to seal off the windpipe during eating so that food is not accidentally inhaled. Now this B, this is alveoli. They are tiny air sacs in lungs that take up the oxygen we breathe in and keep our body going. Now the C is bronchus. It is a passage of airway in respiratory system that conducts air into the lungs. Now this D is very simple. It's a diaphragm. It is a dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs. It separates thoracic cavity, that is the chest cavity, and the abdominal cavity in the mammals. Now, among the options, A. Epiglottis, B. Alveoli, C. is bronchus, and D. is diaphragm. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. Which of the following activity does not take place during pulmonary respiration? Pulmonary respiration in mouth remains closed all the time, whereas nostrils are open only when air is taken in and passed out, that is during first stroke of inspiration and second stroke of expiration respectively. So the correct answer among the given option is the successive opening and closing of mouth and external nostril. So the correct answer among the given option is option C. Next question. Exhalation is the process of expulsion of air through the respiratory tract, which figure correctly represents the process of exhalation among the given options. Now, exhalation is the flow of breath out of an organism's ribs, moves down inwards, and diaphragm relax and moves upward into the chest cavity. So among the given option, we have to find that exhalation is a process where the ribs move inwards, that is down, and diaphragm relaxes by moving upward. So we have to see this type of arrow among the given option, and the correct answer is option A. Here the ribs is moving inwards and the diaphragm is moving upward during the relaxation. Next question. Match the following and mark the correct option. Now here we know that the earthworm, earthworm has moist cuticle as a respiratory organ. So A is 1. Aquatic arthropods, B, it has trachea. So it's option 4. Then C, that is fishes. They have the respiratory organ as gills. So it's second. And the D, that is birds or reptiles. So they have a respiratory organ, lungs. That is third. Now looking at the option, we have to find A first, B fourth, C second, and D third. So correct answer is option B. And the last question. In human blood, the oxygen carries is. So in human blood, oxygen carries hemoglobin, an iron containing red pigment. It is responsible for transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the human blood, and the correct answer is option D, that is hemoglobin.